In the previous section, we looked at the plugged-in power consumers, appliances, and ways to lower our energy expenses by optimizing their use. Now we'll talk about another common and important component of energy consumption – lighting. Lighting typically contributes to around 5 to 10% of a household's energy consumption. A lamp or a light bulb is an energy-transforming device that converts electrical energy into light and heat as a side effect. When choosing a lamp, some important parameters must be considered. Power consumption, or wattage, tells us how much electricity the lamp consumes. Generally speaking, the higher the wattage, the more light is produced for the same type of lamp. However, advances in lighting technology have made it possible to manufacture lamps that can convert most of the electrical energy they receive into light, while significantly reducing the heat component. In other words, they put out more light with a smaller wattage. Just as with household appliances and all other electrical devices for that matter, the amount of energy power that the lamp consumes is measured in watts. Let's now take a look at the lighting facts label on the US Federal Trade Commission. Lumens, a measure of how much light a lamp produces, how bright the light is. The more lumens, the brighter the light. When choosing a lamp, looking at lumens rather than wattage is important, as the traditional use of wattage to describe the brightness of a lamp is no longer practical. Color temperature, a measure of the appearance of the light produced by a lamp and indicates its warmth or coolness. It is expressed in Kelvin. Lower Kelvin values, for example 3000, produce a warm or soft white light similar to that produced by conventional incandescent lamps, while higher Kelvin values produce a cooler, bluish white light similar to daylight. Color Rendering Index, CRI, measures how accurately a light source reproduces the colors of objects compared to natural light. It is a scale ranging from 0 to 100, with 100 being the highest and indicating the most accurate color rendering. A higher CRI means that the colors of an object appear more natural and vibrant under the light source. Ripple factor indicates how much the light intensity varies, causing light flicker. A high ripple factor means more flickering, which can harm visual perception and eye health. When exposed to flickering light, eyes have to rapidly adjust to changing light emitted by its source. This strains the eye muscles, and prolonged exposure can lead to eye strain, headaches, blurred vision, fatigue, reduced visual task performance, and neurological problems. There is no information about the ripple factor on the label because it's controlled by regulations, and inferior products aren't allowed to enter the market. Therefore, we should use lamps from reliable brands. Luminous efficacy indicates how much visible light, also called luminous flux, is emitted relative to the electricity consumed and how well the lamp converts electrical energy into visible light, that is, the energy efficiency of a lamp. It is expressed in lumens per watt. For example, if a 70-watt lamp emits 700 lumens, its luminous efficacy is 10 lumens per watt. The higher the value, the more efficient the product. Most energy labels, such as Energy Star, use energy class ratings to make it easier for the customer. Higher related lamps are more energy efficient, consuming less electricity for the same brightness level.